What is fx trend view on HMI? We can show two variables on trend fx. That's it. I use this one, fx trend view. Let's see what we have here. Go to properties, general. As you can see, I can say show ruler to me, load immediately data, and being online. This is about appearance. Diagram, we can just have one diagram. This is a diagram. X-axis, I put a name for that, Y trend, and Y-axis, I put an X trend name. You can name everything that you want. You can set your value range. It's on automatically the format or something like that. And the scaling, you have a linear or logarithmic. And trend, the important one here, you can say what is your source type. We have two options, logging tags and tags. Tags means online, and you have a short term of the data. And here I have Y trend and X trend. These are tags. I put them here, and update cycle time is 500 milliseconds. That's it. These are about, honestly, appearance, that these are not really important, and we don't have something special here. Let's go and see how does it work. Okay, I'm on the fx trend view. As you can see, if I put 1, we have a 1 on X trend, 2, it goes up, 5, as you can see, it goes to 5, or for example 15, as you can see, it's here. And Y trend, 1, 2, 16. It's drawing, guys. For example, on, I just come back to 0. As you can see, we have something like that. And that's it, guys. Have a good time and take care.